These three AI tools can help you start making money online, even if you're a complete beginner. And the best part? Most people still don't know about them. In this video, I will show you three powerful AI tools that you can use to start earning online today. First, ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, you can write scripts, blog posts, and social media content in minutes. You can earn money by offering content writing services on Fiverr, writing YouTube scripts, or even blogging. You don't need to be an expert. AI will do most of the work for you. Second, Canva AI. With Canva, you can create thumbnails, social media posts, and logos very easily. You can earn money by designing thumbnails, Instagram posts, and Facebook ads for clients. Businesses are always looking for designers, and now you can become one using AI. Third, CapCut AI. CapCut helps you edit videos automatically, add captions, and create viral content. You can earn money by editing YouTube videos, shorts, and TikTok videos for clients. But remember, tools don't make money. You do. You need to take action and stay consistent. Pick one tool, start today, and build your income step by step. Subscribe to Jason Capital for more AI money-making videos, and comment START if you are ready to begin your journey.